this is exactly how I got all of these 15 monthly recurring revenue clients in less than 3 weeks. As you can see, all of them are from the month of January, and all of them are website hosting. And along with this, right now I have 86 monthly recurring revenue clients, which is bringing in £12,000 or $16,000 every single month. And I signed all of those 15 clients with the help of my new strategy, which has been working really crazy because I have been booked up for the whole month. And the fact that I have been too busy right now, I started giving all of my extra clients to my coaching members. That's how crazy this new strategy is working. And watch this video until the end, because in this video I'm going to show you the strategy and the business model I'm doing right now to bring in $16,000 in the monthly recurring revenue. So this is how I make £12,000 or 16K every month. If I need to put my entire business model in single line, is that I find local businesses who don't have websites and I provide them with the free website. Nothing is free in life. I'm gonna explain to you in a minute why is it free, and this website only takes me 5 to 10 minutes for me to build it up and deliver it to my clients. And I charge my clients a hosting fees anywhere from $97 to $497 every single month. And now I'm going to show you how I'm delivering my service as a website as a service in just 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the platform I use to deliver service to my clients and manage and handle all of my own businesses, which is called Go High Level. It's a white label software, and the logo you're seeing, it's my own logo. So you can literally white label the software with your own branding. And usually what I do is I outreach the client. So if you want to know how I outreach, how I book, and how I close all those clients, I've made the entire video, 1 hour long video, which I'll leave it in the description or I will pin it on the top. So watch that video after watching this video. So this is what I usually do after closing the client. I'll go inside the website and click on new website, click on template and click continue. And this is where you get to see lots and lots of different templates for every niche and every industry. For example, let's pick any one. Let's say preview this one. I have no idea what website it is. Wellness journey. Begin your journey to mind. Yeah, it's a female oriented yoga or Pilates, some kind of website. So if you are in this particular niche, what I would do is get this preview link of this exact website. And when I'm going inside the first meeting, I show the preview website on the first meeting, letting them know that I've already built them a website. And before going inside the meeting, you do have to change the logo. Right now, it's a placeholder logo. What we can do is we can go inside Canva. For the sake of this video, let's keep this logo as Yoga Studio logo. Voila. And you have like bunch of different logos for this website we are gonna show to our clients. And this is one of the good looking logo. So what you should do is probably your client will have a name for their business, and instead of this asana, replace your client's business name and take this exact logo and slap it on this website before going inside your first meeting. So usually what I do is I collect the payment on the first meeting. So since I am giving a free website, I need some kind of deposit. If I'm delivering a $500 or $1,000 website, let's say $1,000 website, I take the 50%, first 50% before making the website and second 50% after delivering the service. Since we are delivering the free website, we have to have this safety deposit, which is the hosting fees, which we are going to collect as a $97 or 97 pounds inside the first call. And only after getting the call, you will start building. I mean, everything is built already. You're just gonna change these images which you're seeing in the screen with respect to your own clients, and all the service she or he is providing, and all the prices he or she wants to change. That's all. The service delivery part of the business is done. The yoga studio is just one of the examples. You literally have all different niches and industries inside this platform where you can just pick, change the logo, change the description, change the image, connect the domain name, and start collecting the monthly recurring revenue. If you want to copy paste my entire system just by one click, the system which I'm personally using to bring in $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to figure out what to sell or who to sell it to. Everything is done for you. If you just want to copy my entire system and start making monthly recurring revenue, then click the first link in the description and you will get the entire system totally for free. And now we are going to see why they will keep on paying us this hosting fees for our services and why this is the best business model compared to all the other business model. Let's see. We are not just delivering a service, we are setting them up with a system, a sticky offer. Once they are hooked up with the system, they don't want to leave the system because it's making their life easier and saving them a lot of money compared to delivering a service. For example, let's say you find a custom website client, and it's a high ticket website client, and you are delivering $1,000 to $2,000 website. After delivering the service, you are back to zero. You do have to go back again and start finding for another client. And trust me, delivering a custom website for your clients will take way less time compared to actually looking for these clients, which you are spending a lot of time and effort into it. And again, you're going to zero. So yeah, you're churning out and it's not a sustainable business model. Next up, SMMA. Again, clients don't, at least local business owners don't have that much money paying you $1,000 for running their ads on top of another $1,000 to $2,000 for ad spend. SMMA will bring you a lot of money, but at the same time, it will bring you lots of headache. So it's not a good business model to be in. Freelancer, any freelancer. Let's say you are working as a Upwork freelancer. Upwork used to be free when you're reaching out to clients, but now you have to pay to reach out to clients. And even if you're paying and reaching out, you're not the only one who is reaching out to this particular job. There are like hundreds and hundreds of people bidding on the services, and the client is going with the cheapest option. Trust me, there's a guy in Bangladesh and Pakistan who can do cheapest, like dead cheap services for your clients compared to you. So service-based business is a no-no. Let's see how our system-based business works. So obviously we are pitching them on a cold call or a cold email, cold messages, any kind of cold outreach with a free website. There itself, it's a first win. For example, you are a client and I'm pitching you with a free website and another guy is pitching you with a $2,000 website, and you have to pick one. Who will you pick? Obviously, you're going to pick me because people like free stuff. And we are delivering the free website, which I just showed you, just take 5 to 10 minutes. And just for the website hosting, we can collect $97 in a monthly recurring revenue. And if you do want to see some sales calls, which I've done in my services, I will have all of these sales calls inside my community if you want to have a look, and all the scripts, outreach script, closing script, all the snapshots and templates, you will get access to it inside the community, which is linked in the description. And when you go deeper, because Go High Level has lots and lots of different values which we can provide to our clients. Calendar booking and lead follow-up. Clients want this and they are willing to pay for it, because when it comes to running a business, you do have to pay for lots of different softwares. When it comes to Go High Level, it's like a one-man army. It can deliver everything. For example, let's say it can deliver AI website, AI receptionist, calendar booking, AI reviews, invoices, conversation bot. It's just the main part of the Go High Level. You have a lot more than this. Next up, we have auto 5-star review, which is for $4.97. For example, these are my actual clients inside my agency. Unlike other YouTube gurus, I don't fake. So I am showing you the actual clients. Reputation management $4.97, and website hosting $97, and all the other stuff vary anywhere from $2.97 to $1.97. And you may have a question: what if I deliver the service for free and they will cancel the hosting fees or cancel working with you? And that's where the mobile app comes in clutch. So Go High Level has its own gray label software. Instead of taking their laptop or PC everywhere, local business owners don't have enough time to deal with the technical part of running their businesses. So that's where all the things which can be managed will be managed with this gray label software. Again, we will give this software totally for free, letting them know that this is our software. So they can read all the messages, all the reviews, all the emails, all the booked calls. Everything can be managed within this mobile app, and they can also send invoices, getting paid, like all the things a local business owner needs. It's right in their hands. And since after started using our services, it's going to be way easier because they don't have to go inside Instagram, Facebook, or email or WhatsApp to have a conversation with their clients, because everything is right there. Since we are making their life easier by saving them a lot of time and money, they will be more than happy enough to pay us the $97, $297, or the $497. And if you still have doubts, this is one of my clients who have been with me from August 30th, 2024. And this is 2026 right now. The last payment I got was on December 30th, and the next payment I will get will be by end of this month, January 30th. So I've literally showed you the entire process of running this business to making $16,000 every single month. And yeah, I can't really show the entire process, like every single bit on YouTube, because I don't want to ruin my own business. Because if everyone started copying my outreach strategy, no one's, including me, no one's gonna get any clients. And trust me, if something is working for a guy, like let's say even for a YouTuber, if something is working for a guy who is making videos on YouTube, he's no way in hell he's gonna show the strategy on YouTube, because he's not gonna ruin his own business just to get some views. So if you wanna access all of my snapshots and templates, because yes, Go High Level has the ability to have all these stuff on the back end, but you do have to set it up everything for the first time. And if you don't want to be like stressing out by setting all these up and having your own business set up, I also have a copy paste template inside my agency where you can just click on the link and paste everything inside your agency. Click the first link in the description, get access to everything which I'm personally doing to bring in $16,000 in my own agency totally for free. Or if you already have a Go High Level account but still want to access my outreach script, which literally bought me 60 booked meetings and 15 closed clients inside my agency, you can straight away directly join my school community where you have literally everything which I use in my business. Or just give me a message on Instagram, I can help you out. I'm pretty sure you got some values out of this video, and if you want to see the entire process from start to end, where I outreach the clients, book a meeting with them, go on a sales call, close them, and deliver the service, watch this video next.